Okay, we fed Duke. I close the door so nobody else will eat his food, and he won't eat their food. How'd he do? He usually eats half of it. Where is he? Where's Duke? He's usually waiting, but it's on the phone. Duke, hi baby. Come on. Come on. He usually comes running out, and it's cute. He runs out, runs. Up. That's fun. He runs like he's happy. And he runs toward the back. There he goes. That's Duke. He has to run out. That's what he usually does. Okay. Eating pea. Eating pea. That's Duke. There he goes. Check it out. Funny Duke.